It's a new 2023 BMW X7. It doesn't offer views, it offers vistas. It isn't just nice, it is class-defining luxury. It isn't just big, it is spacious with grace and agility. The X7 doesn't do ordinary, it does legendary. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo I6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic GPS linked and transmission. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2495 Aurora Avenue in Naperville, Illinois.